Hostinger has been pushing AI tools hard lately, but one of the most interesting additions for me is its WordPress AI builder. So in this Hostinger WordPress AI tutorial, I want to show you exactly how it works and whether it really is the easiest way to build a WordPress website. Grab a cup of coffee, a soda, a drink, a snack, and I'll show you how to build a website. Sure, AI will do a lot for us, but while it can generate a complete site in just a few minutes, there's a bit more to creating a website than simply typing a prompt. The first challenge users may run into is simply choosing the right Hostinger plan. There's a simple solution for that. Check my special discount link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen, and you'll be redirected to the Hostinger pricing page with the latest deal already applied. We're going with the unlimited web hosting plan. There are 3 simple reasons for that. First, this plan unlocks all AI tools and even lets you sell with 0% transaction fees. Second, it upgrades your storage to NVMe and includes a free content delivery network, which means much better performance. And lastly, it costs just a few dollars more, but, well, it's unlimited. Split this price across however many websites you build and you'll see just how affordable Hostinger can be. Okay, so grab a plan, pick the longest subscription period to get the lowest price, and choose a domain name. Oh, and don't worry about the 4-year billing period. Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if you feel it doesn't meet your expectations, although honestly, I'm pretty sure it will. You can also claim your domain name later, but I recommend doing it during setup because someone else could register it if you wait too long. Just type in the name you want and browse the available extensions. And if you're stuck, Hostinger can even suggest domain names using, what else? More AI. Once you find one you like, register it using your real details and we can move on. Next up, log into the Hostinger dashboard, head over to Websites, click Add Website, choose WordPress, and continue with the setup. At this stage, you can connect your free domain or simply use a temporary domain if you haven't registered one yet. Now comes the fun part of this Hostinger WordPress tutorial. Instead of creating a blank WordPress installation, select Create Website with AI. While WordPress installs in the background, Hostinger lets you pass the time with a little game, which is a surprisingly fun touch. I might have spent too much time playing it. Don't judge me. Okay, once the installation finishes, you'll be asked to describe your website. This is where Hostinger WordPress AI really starts to shine. Enter a detailed prompt explaining what kind of website you want to build, your business, your audience, and your preferred style. You can also use Hostinger's prompt suggestions or even let AI improve your prompt before generating the site. AI helping AI. Isn't that the circle of life? Or have I just been watching too much Lion King lately? After that, you'll choose your editor. Hostinger offers both Gutenberg and Elementor, but for beginners, I definitely recommend Elementor because of its drag and drop interface and much easier customization. Hostinger includes the free version of Elementor, and if you ever want access to its premium AI features and advanced widgets, you can always upgrade to Elementor Pro later. Next, confirm your brand name, review the suggested website pages, add or remove any you don't need, and enter additional business information such as your address and social media links. Then click Generate and let Hostinger WordPress AI Builder do the heavy lifting. Work, Hostinger, work! A few moments later, you'll have a fully designed website complete with layouts, placeholder images, navigation, and sample content. Just like that, you've got a unique website. Not a default template, not an empty page staring back at you, but a personalized design. Now, if you don't love the first result, don't worry. One of the best parts of the Hostinger website builder is that you can regenerate your website until you find a layout you like. Once you're happy with the design, you can quickly adjust the color palette, fonts, and overall appearance using the built-in AI website assistant. If you already have a logo, you can upload it now, but if not, it's perfectly fine to leave that for later. When everything looks good, click Setup in WordPress Admin and then choose Edit Site to continue customizing your website. This opens Elementor, where you'll probably spend most of your time. After it finishes loading, you'll see the visual editor that lets you drag sections around, replace images, edit text, and customize nearly every part of your website without touching code. Just remember that everything in WordPress is built using blocks, so you're essentially placing blocks inside other blocks to create the layout you want. However, you don't have to do everything yourself. Elementor also includes AI tools that make editing even faster, although you'll need Elementor Pro to use them, which is worth it. The AI content generator can create text for individual sections, rewrite existing copy, adjust your tone of voice, expand or shorten content, and all the good stuff. Next, in how to build a WordPress website, let's create a brand new page to see how it works. Click Add New Page, create a blank page, then launch the AI Page Builder. Describe the page you want, For this example, let's create an About Us page for a coffee shop. Within moments, AI generates a complete page layout with headlines, text, images, and call to action sections. You can then tweak the design however you like using Elementor's drag and drop tools. Honestly, even though I still like having full control, I can't argue with the results. Using AI is much faster than building every section manually, and it gives you a solid starting point whenever you're stuck. Another Hostinger feature worth mentioning is a Kodee AI assistant. I really recommend giving it a try. I have a sneaking suspicion it'll become your new best friend. If you ever get stuck, Kodee can answer questions about your website, explain WordPress hosting features, or even do some of the work for you. So it's not just an assistant, it's kind of like having a virtual developer by your side. And it's getting smarter every month, so who knows what Kodee will be capable of by the time you're watching this video. Why I think Hostinger has the best AI website builder approach is that as you become more comfortable with WordPress, you can always expand your site's capabilities by installing additional AI-powered plugins for SEO, image generation, marketing automation, or you can simply roll up your sleeves and start coding everything yourself. The freedom is completely yours. So that's my quick Hostinger WordPress AI Builder tutorial. As you can see, Hostinger WordPress AI removes most of the difficult parts of creating a website while still giving you full control through WordPress and Elementor. It makes building websites much less intimidating, especially if you've never worked on web projects before. And honestly, I want everyone to experiment with building websites. So go use that discount link below and give Hostinger WordPress AI Builder a try. Just let me know in the comments how your experience with Hostinger was. That's the only price I'm asking for in exchange for my special discount link. Okay, enough blabbing about it. If you found this Hostinger WordPress AI tutorial helpful, drop a like or maybe even share it with your friends. It all helps us reach more people. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this guide on building a website, be sure to come back for more of my videos. All right, see you guys later.